You see that sister there when they lock up at the airport the other day? Me observe a thing in the internet the last days where happened to the sister there. And it seems as if this sister is struggling with some mental issue. I don't know what I go on, but the sister here no seems to be right. And all me say somehow I do is take it and turn it into entertainment and turn her into a big mockery. What is wrong with you now? How can you do something like that? How can you see somebody struggling like that and you're going to take it, turn into entertainment, laugh and giggle and turn the person into mockery as if you don't have yourself, you don't have relatives and friends, children and others, that if you would see any one of them into that very situation that sister in or worse, your heart wouldn't cry out. Eh? When me a little youth, when these things happen to people, the whole community come together and play a part to get this person back on his or her feet. But today, when I make internet and social media, I get the best out now because of what? Likes and views. So we hold on them out. Let me ask you something. I saw when moral standard drop that when I go watch a sister struggle and a suffer. And all you can do is laugh and giggle. Somehow no dare I come. And somehow no I go face worse than that. Remember me telling you that. You see sickness and illness, whether mentally or physically, or any one of the all of them, is not something to laugh about and to giggle about and to mock anyone about. As I look up, the universe nah sleep. God nah sleep. Remember me telling her that. It's that sister the way I struggle. Every time I look upon her, I see something right with her. And I feel it for her. Because I have children too. And I have daughters. And I want to wish man, I wish woman, I wish mother, I wish father out there with a giggle and a laugh off of this woman. Which one I would like to see any one of your daughter or even your son in a situation like that? Be careful, I want to do it there, you know. Me I warn you, you know. Careful, I want to do it there, you know. Because you see the day after today, you don't know what will happen to you or anyone of your friends or relatives or loved ones. Remember that. Me, Shocking Morris said that.